Grandpa teaches English. Subscribe now.
I find my lost shoe beneath the wooden bed. I find my lost shoe beneath the wooden bed. The clever cat hides underneath the kitchen table. The clever cat hides underneath the kitchen table. I walk to the office despite the heavy rain. I walk to the office despite the heavy rain. I wait at the platform until the train arrives. I wait at the platform until the train arrives. I keep the chocolate till my brother comes home. I keep the chocolate till my brother comes home. The bright green grass grows beneath the deep snow. The bright green grass grows beneath the deep snow. I tuck the important document underneath the laptop. I tuck the important document underneath the laptop. I study my storybook until the room light goes off. I study my storybook until the room light goes off. I work at the garden center till the sunset. I work at the garden center till the sunset. The red ball rolls beneath the heavy sofa. The red ball rolls beneath the heavy sofa. I find my notebook underneath a pile of newspapers. I find my notebook underneath a pile of newspapers. I cross the narrow street despite the busy traffic. I cross the narrow street despite the busy traffic. I save this seat till my mother arrives. I save this seat till my mother arrives. The ancient roots spread deep beneath the old house. The ancient roots spread deep beneath the old house. I hide the house key underneath a small stone. I hide the house key underneath a small stone. I complete my daily run despite the cold wind. I complete my daily run despite the cold wind. I read my study notes until the clock strikes 10. I read my study notes until the clock strikes 10. I paint the wooden fence till the dark night falls. I paint the wooden fence till the dark night falls. A small river flows beneath the old stone bridge. A small river flows beneath the old stone bridge. I found my red pen underneath the big study desk. I found my red pen underneath the big study desk. We play in the park despite the cloudy sky. We play in the park despite the cloudy sky. I work at the computer until my boss calls me. I work at the computer until my boss calls me. I will not open the box till my birthday comes. I will not open the box till my birthday comes. The bright green grass grows beneath the deep snow. The bright green grass grows beneath the deep snow. I tucked the secret note underneath the heavy laptop. I tucked the secret note underneath the heavy laptop. I complete the market shopping despite the long queue. I complete the market shopping despite the long queue. I read the interesting book until the room light goes off. I read the interesting book until the room light goes off. The hard-working bees collect honey till the sunset. The hard-working bees collect honey till the sunset. I find my lost notebook beneath the heavy textbook. I find my lost notebook beneath the heavy textbook. The little puppy sleeps underneath the wooden bench. The little puppy sleeps underneath the wooden bench. I complete my office task despite the loud noise. I complete my office task despite the loud noise. I wait at the bus stop until the rain stops. I wait at the bus stop until the rain stops. I save this sweet mango till my sister comes home. I save this sweet mango till my sister comes home. The tiny golden coins hide beneath the deep sand. The tiny golden coins hide beneath the deep sand. I tuck the entry pass underneath the smartphone screen. I tuck the entry pass underneath the smartphone screen. I finish the long walk despite my tired legs. I finish the long walk despite my tired legs. I watch the funny cartoon until the wall clock strikes 9. I watch the funny cartoon until the wall clock strikes 9. I stay at the marketplace till the shopping mall closes. I stay at the marketplace till the shopping mall closes. The green plant grows beneath the dark soil. The green plant grows beneath the dark soil. I find my lost pencil underneath a heavy notebook. I find my lost pencil underneath a heavy notebook. I walk to the market despite the hot weather. I walk to the market despite the hot weather. I stay at the shop until my brother calls me. I stay at the shop until my brother calls me. I keep this sweet chocolate till my sister comes home. I keep this sweet chocolate till my sister comes home. The bright stars shine beneath the thin clouds. The bright stars shine beneath the thin clouds. I tuck the entry pass underneath the laptop keyboard. I watch the funny cartoon until the wall clock strikes 8. I watch the funny cartoon until the wall clock strikes 8. I work at the green garden till the sunset. I work at the green garden till the sunset. The simple key rests beneath the soft doormat. The simple key rests beneath the soft doormat. I find my lost coin underneath the car seat. I find my lost coin underneath the car seat. I walk to the hospital despite my heavy headache. I walk to the hospital despite my heavy headache. I stay at the playground until the sky gets dark. I stay at the playground until the sky gets dark. I keep this fresh bread till my brother returns home. I keep this fresh bread till my brother returns home. The beautiful ancient coins hide beneath the deep sea. The beautiful ancient coins hide beneath the deep sea. I tuck the important pass underneath the table glass. I tuck the important pass underneath the table glass. I complete the difficult office task despite my tired eyes. I complete the difficult office task despite my tired eyes. I watch the cricket match until the wall clock strikes 7. I watch the cricket match until the wall clock strikes 7. I read the morning news till the school bus arrives. I read the morning news till the school bus arrives. The little crab hides beneath the wet sand. The little crab hides beneath the wet sand. I find my lost earphone underneath the office desk. I find my lost earphone underneath the office desk. I walk to the big stadium despite the heavy cold. I walk to the big stadium despite the heavy cold. I wait at the platform until the passenger train arrives. I wait at the platform until the passenger train arrives. I save this fresh apple till my brother comes back. I save this fresh apple till my brother comes back. The ancient stone blocks rest beneath the deep soil. The ancient stone blocks rest beneath the deep soil. I slide the textless document underneath the phone screen. I slide the textless document underneath the phone screen. I finish the marketplace shopping despite the long queue. I finish the marketplace shopping despite the long queue. I read my interesting storybook until the desk light goes off. I read my interesting storybook until the desk light goes off. I work at the neighborhood nursery till the beautiful sunset. I work at the neighborhood nursery till the beautiful sunset. The red apple drops beneath the wooden chair. The red apple drops beneath the wooden chair. I find my lost notebook underneath a stack of storybooks. I find my lost notebook underneath a stack of storybooks. I walk to the big market despite the cold wind. I walk to the big market despite the cold wind. I wait at the platform until the cargo train arrives. I wait at the platform until the cargo train arrives. I save this fresh bread till my sister comes back. I save this fresh bread till my sister comes back. The ancient ruins rest beneath the deep sand. The ancient ruins rest beneath the deep sand. I slide the entry pass underneath the laptop base. I slide the entry pass underneath the laptop base. Office work despite my tired eyes. I complete the office work despite my tired eyes. I read my study notes until the wall clock strikes 9. I read my study notes until the wall clock strikes 9. I work at the green garden till the beautiful sunset. I work at the green garden till the beautiful sunset. The heavy textbook rests beneath the blue folder. The heavy textbook rests beneath the blue folder. I find my lost keyring underneath the living room rug. I find my lost keyring underneath the living room rug. I walk to the classroom despite the heavy rain. I walk to the classroom despite the heavy rain. I wait at the bus shelter until the storm passes. I wait at the bus shelter until the storm passes. I keep this red apple till my brother comes home. I keep this red apple till my brother comes home. The bright green moss grows beneath the damp leaves. The bright green moss grows beneath the damp leaves. I slide the textless document underneath the laptop keyboard. I slide the textless document underneath the laptop keyboard. I complete the long walk despite my tired legs. I complete the long walk despite my tired legs. I study the storybook until the clock strikes 10. I study the storybook until the clock strikes 10. I stay at the neighborhood shop till the sunset falls. I stay at the neighborhood shop till the sunset falls.